Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this my YouTube channel. My name is Bola Baradun. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, they say we are looking at truth table. Number one, they say you should construct truth table for negation A negation of P and Q, then B negation of P, then or Q. So, how are we going to construct the truth table of this? Let's look at solution. Let's look at the solution for A. For this A, say negation of what? Negation of P and Q. This thing simply mean and P and Q. So the negation of P and Q, for us to be able to construct this table, we know that what we are going to first put, we have P here on each column, then we have Q. Put Q on its own column also. After doing that, you put P and Q, this P and Q on its own partial column. Then you put the entire question, which is the negation of P and Q on their column. Then now we know that in logic, what if I have, if you have two components, we have what? Truth, fault, fault. Then the second row we start with what? Truth, fault, truth, fault. Then P and Q simply mean that if P and Q are true, then this column will be what? Truth. But if they are not truth, it will be fault. So because we have truth here on P, we have truth on Q, this place will be truth. Here we have truth on P, but we have fault here. So because of that, it will be fault, because all the two columns is not truth. Here we have fault here, we have truth here. So it will be what? Fault, because they are not truth throughout. Here we had fault here, we had fault here. So because we did not have truth in both sides, it become what? Fault. Then now let's look at negation of P and Q. Negation simply means not. That is the opposite of this P and Q. The opposite of truth is what? Is fault. The opposite of fault is what? Is truth. The opposite of fault is what? Is truth. The opposite of fault is what? Is truth. And this is the final answer for this one. This is the final answer. Let's look at number two. Number two, they say we should find the negation of P or Q. So for us to be able to find the negation of P or Q, what we are going to do is that we put P on its own column, then put Q on its own column, then put P not P or Q on its own partial column. Then after that, we put the entire question, which is the negation of P or Q on its own partial column. Now we know that this, because this is two components, we start with truth, fault, fault. And here we start the second column, we start with truth, fault, fault. This P or Q, what is telling us is that if the P or the Q is truth, then it will be what? Truth. If you have any truth on each of the column, it will be truth. So we have truth here, and even though this is false, but we have truth here, so it will be what? Truth also. Here we have fault here, but we have truth here. So because we have truth in in any of the column, we have only truth here, one truth here, it will be truth. Here is fault, because we do not have truth in any of the columns, so it become what? Fault. This is what this thing mean, P or Q. That is what it means. Now let's look at the negation of P or Q. You see now that the opposite of this P or Q, as the negation is not. That is not of this. The opposite of this. So the opposite of truth is what? Fault. The opposite of truth is what? Fault. The opposite of truth is what? Fault. The opposite of fault is what? Truth. And this is how to solve this in logic. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.